If you're looking for a skilled trade business that can generate consistent income year after year, this video is for you. Heating and air conditioning services are essential in both residential and commercial buildings, and demand keeps growing as climates become more extreme. Today, I'll show you how to start your own HVAC business from scratch, the tools and equipment you need, how much capital is required, and how small operators secure steady clients without expensive offices or large teams. Stay till the end. I'll drop proven lead gen hacks and a real bootstrap story of an HVAC owner who scaled to multi-million revenue. The global HVAC systems market is exploding, projected to grow at 7 to 8% CAGR, hitting hundreds of billions by the early 2030s, as energy-efficient, smart, and eco-friendly systems take over amid climate regs and building booms. This is a necessity-based service business. Every system needs installation, regular servicing, emergency repair, and eventual replacement. Most residential systems last 10 to 15 years, which creates constant repeat demand. New housing, commercial construction, and government energy efficiency upgrades are increasing HVAC installations worldwide. At the same time, many skilled technicians are retiring, creating a shortage of reliable service providers. Aging HVAC systems, new construction, energy efficiency upgrades, and regular maintenance contracts drive constant demand. Many large HVAC companies focus on big contracts. This opens huge opportunities for small, local HVAC businesses that offer fast response, honest pricing, and maintenance contracts. Unlike trend-based businesses, HVAC demand stays strong year after year. You can start an HVAC business without an office or showroom. Many owners operate from a home office or garage. The most important requirement is technical skill. Either you must be a trained HVAC technician or partner with one. You'll need a reliable service vehicle, secure tool storage, spare part inventory, and a scheduling system to manage calls. Most startups begin with one technician handling service calls and installations. You should also plan emergency availability during peak summer and winter seasons, as breakdown calls generate the highest profit. Clean uniforms, safety procedures, and punctual service matter more than branding in the early stage. What's your HVAC niche? Residential repairs? Commercial installs? Comment below. An HVAC startup requires specialized tools. A complete professional tool set includes manifold gauge sets, vacuum pumps, refrigerant recovery machines, leak detectors, pipe cutters, flaring tools, multimeters, and safety gear. These tools usually cost between $6,000 and $12,000, depending on brand quality. A used service van or pickup truck costs around $12,000 to $30,000. Many startups begin with used vehicles to control costs. Initial spare parts inventory like filters, thermostats, capacitors, motors, and copper piping usually requires $2,000 to $5,000. With careful purchasing, a solid HVAC operation can be launched within $25,000 to $45,000. Startup capital typically ranges between $30,000 and $60,000, including vehicle, tools, insurance, and permits. HVAC businesses earn money from service calls, maintenance contracts, and system installations. A basic service visit usually brings $120 to $300, while seasonal maintenance packages sell for $150 to $400 per customer annually. Full HVAC installations or replacements generate $3,500 to $12,000 per job, depending on system size. Net profit margins generally fall between 30% and 50%. With consistent jobs, many HVAC businesses recover their startup investment within 6 to 12 months. Register your business and obtain all required trade licenses. In many regions, technicians must hold HVAC trade certification and EPA refrigerant handling approval. Insurance is critical, including general liability and vehicle insurance. Some areas also require bonding for commercial contracts. Keep clear service documentation and warranty records to protect your business legally. Operating legally builds trust and allows you to bid on higher-paying commercial jobs. The most powerful HVAC marketing tool is local search visibility. Set up and optimize your Google business profile with accurate service areas and photos. Run Google ads and local services ads targeting emergencies with a budget as low as $500 to $2,000 per month at the beginning. Offer seasonal discounts before summer and winter to lock in maintenance contracts. Partner with real estate agents, property managers, builders, and landlords who need recurring HVAC services. Emergency repair availability and fast response time are major selling points. Simple referral programs work extremely well because HVAC customers trust recommendations. Film 15-second reels of before-after fixes or tips, for example, why your AC died. Push maintenance contracts, example, 2 times per year visits. One inspiring bootstrap example comes from HVAC entrepreneurs who started small and scaled big. For instance, many owners, shared in industry stories, began with 1 van and EPA cert, focusing on emergency repairs and word of mouth. A common path: hit 1 million plus revenue by building a team, adding service agreements, and using tech for scheduling. Some grew from solo to multi-million in 5 to 10 years through consistent quality and digital marketing. Check detailed success stories on Service Titan's blog. Secure 20 to 30 regular clients? Now hire additional technicians and add installation crews. Introduce premium lines like smart home integrations or heat pump installs. Launch maintenance subscriptions for steady cash flow. Use CRM and scheduling software to manage jobs and reduce missed calls. Focus on Google or Yelp reviews and technician training. Aim for 4.8 plus stars to dominate local search and referrals. That's how you start and grow a heating and air conditioning business from scratch. HVAC is not a shortcut business, but it's one of the most stable and scalable service industries in the world. If you build skills, show up on time, and treat customers honestly, this business can support you for decades. Comment below if you're planning to start or already working in HVAC, and check the link if you want help with equipment sourcing, licensing guidance, or a startup checklist.